Creating faceless YouTube videos is one of the greatest online side hustles as of right now. These videos, particularly in documentary formats, are among the highest earning content on the platform. Many of these channels are making literally tens of thousands of dollars every month. You might be thinking, well, that's nice for them, but I don't have the skills to edit these videos, or I don't have the money to hire some fancy editor or use expensive software like Premiere Pro. If that's the case, you're not alone. But here's the big question. Is it possible to create high-quality faceless videos in a simple and free program like Canva? As it turns out, the answer is a resounding yes. In fact, I have successfully created a faceless video with arguably the same, if not better, quality than any of the high-production video. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and spoiler alert, it's very easy. So stick around until the end because the final result is absolutely going to blow your mind. Let's dive in. The first step to creating faceless videos in Canva is to start by selecting the video format. This is where the magic begins. The beauty of creating faceless videos in Canva is that it has everything you could possibly need in one platform. And the best part is that you can use it entirely for free. You will have access to amazing graphics, photos, and videos, as well as the ability to add text, music, and sound effects. Canva even has AI features like text-to-image and text-to-video generators, and much more than that. There's literally so much to explore that it would be impossible to fit everything in one video. So for now, we're going to focus on creating these documentary-style videos. The key to a successful documentary video always starts with your voiceover. Canva even has an AI text-to-speech program that you can use, but I highly recommend using Clipchamp for your voiceovers. It's miles better, and they even offer a free plan that gives you the option to save the file in full resolution. I've included links to both Canva and Clipchamp in the description of the video, so if you want to test out this method, be sure to use these links to get started. When you go to the voice library in Clipchamp, you can choose from hundreds of extremely high-quality AI voices. Personally, I really like the Andrew voice for these types of videos, but feel free to experiment with different options until you find the one that suits your content best. Always remember, the script of a documentary is probably the most important part of the entire video, so I highly recommend you take a close look at how other successful channels are writing their scripts. For this example, I've written an intro for a documentary about space mysteries. All you need to do is simply copy and paste your script and select Generate. Once you've done that, you can import the voiceover into Canva. As you can see, the voiceover will appear at the bottom of the screen, and this is where the editing is going to take place. Now, I'm not going to start with the voiceover right at the beginning of the video. Instead, I'm going to create a suspenseful build-up to really hook viewers in the video. To do this, I'm going to drag the voiceover a little bit further along the timeline for now. I want to start with a black screen. To do this in Canva, you will want to select the first scene. Go to the color options in the left corner and select a black color. Next to the colors, you can set the duration of scene. I want this black screen to play for a very short time, so I will set the duration to a second. After that, I will use 4 images or videos briefly to set the mood of the video. Since I'm creating a documentary about space, I'm going to search for visual related to planets. Let's start simple with a photo. Enlarge the photo so it fits the entire screen and set the duration of this scene to 1 second. Now to add another scene, simply hover your mouse between the two scenes and select Add Page. This time I will search for something more dynamic, like a video of space. Just like in the previous scene, I am only going to show this video for 1 second. To make it more visually engaging, I will speed up the video a bit. You can do this by selecting timing and increasing the video speed. Again, change the duration to 1 second. I'm going to repeat these steps for 2 more scenes. Now I think the first scene is a little bit boring, so I have to get trick to bring your image to life. Simply go to Edit Photo in the top left corner and play around with filters and effects. To easily keep track of all your videos and images, you can use the Layers feature. Here you can select any image or video to make further adjustments. I will speed up this video again and set the duration to 1 second. Here's the secret: you don't need to be a great video editor to make good videos. However, you do need to be good at sound design. Sound design is all about picking the right music and sound effects for your video. And trust me, it completely transforms your content. The key to picking the right sounds and music depends on the type of video you're creating. Once again, I strongly recommend you look closely to other successful videos for inspiration. I've also put a list of sound effects in the description of this video, so you can use those as starting point. For my video, I always like to use at least 3 types of sound effects: risers, whooshes, and impacts. To add this, go to the audio section in the menu bar on the left side of your screen. Simply search for sound effect that you think suits your video. Then drag it to the right place on the timeline. I always suggest listening to sound effects in between placements to make sure they fit well with the visuals. Adjust the volume, select the sound effect, go to the volume icon, and then adjust it to your liking. Repeat these steps until you've incorporated all sound effects you want in your video. Now let me show you the start of the video with sound effects so you can see what I mean when I say you don't have to be a great editor. You just have to be good at sound design.
Welcome to the intriguing realm of space mysteries, where the cosmos unfolds its secrets and challenges our understanding of the universe. From the enigmatic dark matter that makes up much of the universe.
As you will see, sound effects can take your video from being just okay to looking and sounding really impressive. All of a sudden, your content feels more professional and engaging. Once you've arranged all the footage, the last step is to add transitions between the scenes. To do this, hover between scenes and select Add Transition. Choose a transition effect that you think fits best with your video. Keep in mind that you don't need to add transitions for every single scene. Sometimes less is more. Again, I recommend looking at how other successful videos incorporate transitions for inspiration. Personally, I like to use slide and fade transitions. Now let's take a look at the final result. But before I show you this, I want to quickly mention that if you find this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future contents like this one. Once again, thank you for your time and attention. I'm confident that by following this method, you will be able to create professional quality faceless videos in Canva, even if you are a complete beginner. Let's go ahead and watch the final result of our faceless documentary about the mysteries of space.
Welcome to the intriguing realm of space mysteries, where the cosmos unfolds its secrets and challenges our understanding of the universe. From the enigmatic dark matter that makes up much of the universe.
As you've seen, with the right tools and techniques, there's no need for expensive software or complicated editing processes. Remember to experiment with different effects, sounds, and visuals until you find a style that suits you. And don't forget to have fun with the process. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.